Welcome back to Grill Sergeant's BBQ Spin Off. My name is Andrew Rogan. What makes this show fun is I have no idea what I'm going to cook, what I'm going to cook on, or what seasonings I'm going to use, but a random wheel picker does. Now, what makes this show fun is you guys get to pick the meat. So if you want to see your meat choice in the next episode, make sure in this video in the comment section to leave your meat choice, because when we build the next episode, we're going to be looking at this video's comments. All right, today's meat choices are, we have lamb chop, Rockefeller oysters, alligator, beef shanks, and bacon. So let's see what our meat is going to be. Lamb chops. All right, very cool. As far as grills go, we have the Pit Boss Heritage, the Pit Boss Onyx Phoenix, the Pit Boss Pro Series, the Pit Boss 850DX, and the Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle. Let's see what we're going to be cooking on today. The Pit Boss Heritage. Now for our rub choices, we have the Pit Boss Pulled Pork Rub, the Pit Boss Boss Rub, the Maple Chipotle, the Lone Star Beef Brisket, and Pit Boss's Hot Honey Chipotle Rub. Let's see what we're going to be using. Lone Star Beef Brisket. I got my choices here. I'm going to go run to the store. I'll set up and prep everything, and then we'll get cooking. See you in a few. All right, back from the store. We are going to be eating good today. I have a rack of lamb here. Now you can grill these individually, but we're actually going to be smoking them just as a whole rack. We'll give a nice sear on them, and then we'll slice in. These are going to be so tasty. So now let's season them up. All right, we're going to start on the back side here. Now on brisket, this makes a very, very nice bark. And so I have a feeling this is going to bring some really nice color and flavor to these lamb chops. So definitely want to make sure these are well seasoned up. All right, I'm going to cover these up, let them sweat a little bit. Now you're going to want to season these about 45 minutes before they actually hit the smoker. You're going to want that rub, especially especially the salt to actually start breaking down and really getting into that lamb. But now while these are chilling out, let's fire up the Pit Boss Heritage. Now before I turn the smoker on, I'm actually going to empty out the burn pot, which I can access from underneath the grill. Toss that out. All right, got some fresh pellets in here. Just a few, and what that's going to do is kind of help get a faster start time on the smoker. All right, turn her on. I'm gonna hit start, and for temp, we'll do 225. All right, we'll have the Pit Boss Heritage come up to temp, and we'll get the rack of lamb in probably about 45 minutes. Really want that rub to do its magic, so we'll see you then. All right, we are up to temp. Let's get these in the smoker. Right here. I'm gonna take a probe right here, and we're just going to go much into the center, just like that. All right, let's close her up. All right, now we can just let it bathe in some smoke. I'm in the Pit Boss app right here. I'm going to set an internal temperature alarm of 140 degrees. And then once I get that alarm, I'm going to use the sear feature so we can actually give a nice sear on this. We'll let it rest. When doing lamb, you want to make sure you at least have an internal temperature of about 145 degrees. But by the time we're done searing, letting it rest, it's just going to be perfect right there. We're going to be eating good. So we'll tune back in when it's time to sear. All right, she is up to temp right now. Ooh, look at that color in there. Let's pull this out. Man, that looks beautiful. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to crank up the temp a little bit. All right. Now let's open up the flame tamer. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, man. There we go. Perfect. Now that's money right there. Awesome. Let's pull this. All right, she's been rested now for about 15 minutes. So let's carve in right now. Man, look at the juice on the cutting board. This is going to be absolutely phenomenal. Oh, man. Look how juicy that is. I cannot wait to sink my teeth into this right now. Bon appetit. I've made a lot of tasty things on this barbecue spin-off. This probably takes the cake. Not gonna lie, it is gonna be so hard to share these with the family right now, but I'm gonna try my best. Now, if you want to interact with this video, all you have to do is let me know in the comment section what you want to see on the wheel. I will add it in. Don't forget to subscribe to this Pit Boss YouTube channel, and so you can stay on top of all these awesome backyard cooks. My name is Andrew, aka the Grill Sergeant, and I'll catch you guys the next one. Grill Sergeant out.